Let's now try to unravel bakit ito yung energies ng person mo or energies mo in general. So, clarify the rejoice. Bakit ito yung energy ng person that is watching this certain video? So, we have here the Ten of Pentacles. Might be you're working on your stability and your security. You are working on yourself to be the best version of yourself. So currently, that is the reason why you are focusing at living at the moment, focusing on the now. Nagfo-focus ka na buuin yung sarili mo to be stable and secure as a certain individual. Wherein, let's clarify more. Clarify more. Kasi nga, wow. So, we have here 10-10. Kumaga parang nandun ka na sa level ng buhay mo, my dear soul tribe, the one watching this video, na kumaga parang contented ka na. And kumaga parang having this connection with this person, with your person, is only an additional. So, you are finding that sense of fulfillment. Kung hindi mo pa nare-reach itong certain level na ito, you are finding stability and security within yourself. You're working on yourself to be the best version of yourself. And or also you are wanting that sense of fulfillment, that sense of satisfaction within you. Might be you are working on yourself, self-love, self-care. So kasi nga, maring you had been living out of fear, doubts, and anxiety before. So ngayon, dahil na-overcome mo na yung fear and anxiety, you are now focusing on rejoicing, being grateful, being thankful for everything, finding that sense of stability and security within yourself, sense of satisfaction, fulfillment within yourself. Kasi nga maaring nung nakaraan, yun yung obstacle na pinagdaanan mo or pinagdadaanan mo pa lang siya ngayon. At what you needed to do is to find that certain gratitude. Be in the sense of gratitude, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, for those who are watching this.